Good afternoon. So today I'll be doing the cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR. So first is to scene assessment. This will ensure the safety of the client or the victim and also the rescuer. And next is to position yourself, align on shoulder or the chest of the patient. The next is to do the situation of Miss, are you okay? Miss, are you okay? Miss, are you okay? Next is to call out for a crowd, which is make sure that they will call an ambulance or 911. So, Mr. and happy pants and blue, call out, please call ambulance and 911. The next is to make sure to listen, feel, and look if there's a rise and fall of the patient's chest to make sure to listen.
So how many seconds?
10 seconds. Perform the chest compression, which is to put your Nodomet hand on the center, stir down. Nodomet over the abdomen. Then proceed with then after, if there's no presence of pulsation, you will now do the chest compression. Then give to rescue breeds. Check if there's presence of breed. Then if there's none, proceed to 4 cycles if needed. So after that, for 4 cycles, if the patient or the victim still doesn't have consciousness, we will continue the CPR if the patient recovers or have the consciousness. We will position the patient by lifting the arms near you and bending the elbow and facing toward the bum of the patient. Then the other arm will be placed across the chest of the patient, and the back of the hand of the patient be on the cheeks, and then make sure that the knee of the patient is flexed, and then as you put the patient sideways, you will support the cheeks of the patient and the flex and the flex with the patient.